guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very excited to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share with you a weigh-in video, a little bit of a weight loss journey update, and then I wanted to share my menu for the week with me. I'm back to planning my menus again, and I'm pretty excited about some of the stuff I have coming up this week. Real quick, a little bit about myself. I currently follow the Weight Watchers plan. I get 37 points per day. I have been doing Weight Watchers for about 2 years now. I had lost just like 59.8 pounds and then I gained 40 of it back. So now I am still trying to lose that 40 pounds as well as an additional, I want to say another 40 pounds. So my goal is to lose about 80 more pounds altogether. My total weight loss goal when I initially started 2 years ago was 100 pounds. I started at about 270 pounds and my goal is to get down to about 170, 165, somewhere in there. So yeah, that's that. As far as my weight loss journey goes, I've been a bit on the struggle bus, which we've already kind of discussed because I did gain the 40 pounds back. A lot of yo-yoing, you know, I would be really hardcore tracking for about a week and then I'd be off for a month and then I would track again for a month and then off again and on and off. It's just kind of been chaos. I have been, over the past couple weeks, pretty steady with my tracking. I have my good days and I have my bad days, but for the most part, I'm tracking everything that I eat. Getting back into doing the day in a lives with you guys or what I eat in a day in the grocery hauls, and that's really helping. And I'm finding that I'm really having a good time trying to remember all of the stuff that I used to eat last time I was hardcore Weight Watchers. It's a lot of fun. I'm finding a lot of good stuff out there, a lot of new stuff, and then a lot of the old stuff from the past. So I'm sure you guys will be seeing those soon in some upcoming videos. As far as my weight loss goes, for last week, I lost 2.8 pounds. I felt like my week went fairly well. Definitely did a good job getting my water in. Definitely did a good job there. And as far as tracking, it wasn't an everyday thing, but I was more mindful of what I was eating for the most part. But I did have some days, I think somebody brought in some donuts one day this week to the office and I had one of those. So just little things here and there, but I'm gradually remembering all the stuff I used to replace those with. Guys, all the goodies out there, there's always a more Weight Watchers or weight loss friendly option. It's just a matter of figuring them out and then remembering. So yeah, yep, that's where I'm at, 2.8 pounds down. Now let me go ahead and share my recipe with you. This shouldn't be too long of a video, we'll see. It is me, I do talk. I'm looking at my computer here off to the bottom of the screen. I need to put my glasses on. I'm sorry for the glare, guys, but I can't read without it. I do use the Notions app for my meal planning and my shopping list. If you guys are not familiar with this and you get on there to check it out, don't panic when you see it. It comes across as kind of complicated, but it's really not. Once you get a routine down, it's really easy. I do my menu planning for the entire month. And then I break my shopping list up into about 2-week segments. So I'm starting here, let's see, the first day I'm going to start with is Monday, February 6th. Mondays I do Crockpot meals, and yes, I try to have designated meals for certain days. For this coming Monday, I have Crockpot potato soup. This is from Pinterest. I've made it several times. In fact, I think I probably have a cook with me for it. If I can find that, I'll post that up in the corner for you. Go check it out. I found it on Pinterest. It's by a website called Recipe Diaries. It's very Weight Watcher point friendly. It's one of our family favorite recipes, especially on cold days. And it's so simple and quick. Simple and quick, which we're all about. On Tuesdays, we do lunch meat and chips. Kids have their own box of chips that they're going to pull from that we got at Costco. We've got lots of different options for lunch meat and then toppings. We've got the light mayonnaise, we've got pickles, we've got cheese, and then I have my Quest chips that I like to eat. So I imagine you'll probably see my lunch meat sandwich day in a life at some point. Wednesday is just a regular weight loss friendly recipe. This Wednesday, the 8th, I'm doing a pull apart pizza bread. I saw this on another YouTuber's channel and it looked so good. Now, I haven't decided yet. There's a couple different ways to make this recipe, which I found on Pinterest, by the way. I'll link all these recipes down below for you. There's a couple different ways. One of them, you can do the 2-ingredient dough, which is going to be a little bit more time consuming than the other one, which is just using the smaller cans of flaky biscuits. I don't know if you guys have seen them or not, but they're little tiny biscuits about that big, and you chop them up and throw them in there. So I do have a few things I'm doing on Wednesday. Ava, my baby, has freshman orientation for high school. That's my youngest, and that's terrible. My last one, my last freshman orientation. I feel like I just went through freshman orientation with my oldest one. Gets me right here. I don't like it. But I have to let him grow up, right? Anyways, my point with that was is we have some stuff to do, so I may just end up doing the cans of biscuits versus a 2-ingredient dough. And then I'm trying to figure out what I want to do as far as the pizza sauce. I could have sworn somewhere I saw a jar of sugar-free pizza sauce, because I remember pointing it out to Steve and being like, oh, that's what we need to use next time we make pizza. But now I'm looking online and I can't find it. What do you guys do for pizza sauce options? Let me know down in the comments. I'm thinking for this week, I'm just going to use that no sugar added spaghetti sauce. I think it's by Prego. And then just use my new Trader Joe's spice, which is the pizza seasoning, to season it up a little bit. But I don't know. Let me know down below. But this recipe looks really good. It's basically, it's in a bundt pan, so it's pull apart like monkey bread. It's got the dough in it, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, turkey pepperoni, and then all the yummy seasonings that you want. I'm even thinking about maybe adding some mushrooms and green peppers, kind of make it a supreme pull apart pizza. But we shall see. That might be a fun cook with me. That might be. We will have to see on that one. Thursdays, we do leftovers. Friday is our pizza and salad night. I like to sit down with the kiddos if I'm home and relax and watch a movie and just have a little bit of pizza and some salad. So yeah, we're going to have pizza 2 days this week, but we like pizza here, so it will be okay. And usually when we do our pizza nights, we get like a chicken pizza or something like that. So it'll be a little bit different, but who gets tired of pizza? Because it's not me. Saturday, I have to work on Saturday. I've been picking up extra shifts at the Stat Care Clinic here in town, and I love it. I adore it. But what that means is it's going to be up to Steve and the kids to fend for themselves for breakfast. I think they'll be just fine. Lunches on Saturdays, we do lunch meat and chips. We keep it simple because on Saturdays we're usually running around doing our shopping. If there's any sporting events going on, it's typically going to be Saturday afternoon, so we keep it simple. And then Saturday night, I have another WW recipe. This is actually one that I'm going to be doing for an upcoming collab. I think it's going to be posted February 19th. I'll double check the date. It's a February fettuccine or fettuccine February recipe. And the requirements were just that you make a recipe that includes pasta. So I, at the request of my almost freshman daughter, Ava, am going to be making lightened up jalapeno popper chicken casserole. It looks really good. This is a recipe, again, that I found on Pinterest. I will link it down below. It looks really good, and she loves her jalapenos. Hopefully it's not too spicy for me because I'm a wimp when it comes to spicy food. And then Sunday, again, I'm picking up a shift at the Stat Care Clinic, so breakfast is up to Steve and the kids. Lunch, we'll do leftovers. If there's no leftovers that they want, we've got pizza rolls they can just toss in the oven. Just something quick and easy, or lunch meat sandwiches and chips. We've always got an abundance of that. But I'm finding when I do my menu planning and we make the full meals 2 or 3 nights a week, we typically have leftovers galore. So I like to make sure that I have designated meal slots for those. And then at night, when I get home from work, I am doing baked tilapia with grapes and olives. Now, this is a recipe that I got from a cookbook. I will look online to see if I can find a link for it. If not, if you're interested in this recipe, let me know. I am getting it from the Weight Watchers Simply 5 cookbook. If you have it, it is on page 85. Baked tilapia with olives and grapes. It is, well, this is the old one. So as you can see, it's kind of got the blue and the purple and the green plan. I'll have to figure out points for sure. But it's got red seedless grapes, salt, tilapia fillets, black pepper, Kalamata olives. My family loves Kalamata olives. Well, we love any olive. Any olive. And then olive oil, and then chopped flat leaf parsley. And what's great about this cookbook is it's all 5 main ingredients or less. And it's a sheet pan recipe. So I'm just going to toss everything on a sheet pan, pop it in the oven. And this is going to be a really easy meal to make after a full day of work. All right, friends, that is everything. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. If you haven't already, if you would, get the hair out of my eyes. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, and you think you can handle my chaos, you're going to find weight loss discussions on here. I do some product reviews. I do cook with me is what I eat in a day, shopping hauls, and really, I mean, you never know what you're going to find on my channel. Lots of family stuff. Yeah. So anyways, my point with that was if you can handle my chaos, feel free to hit that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.